Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsarthi. And in today's market, 10-year gsec yields went up to 6.83%. Markets are awaiting the government borrowing program for next year, which is going to be very heavy. And this is forcing issuers to come and issue corporate bonds to take advantage of the current low interest rates before they rise. And in today's private placement market, you had Shriram Transport, LIC Housing Finance, and Indiafirst Life Insurance issuing bonds. Shriram Transport 3-year bonds, and the rest, the other two, Indiafirst Life and LIC Embassy Rates. Embassy Rates is a large commercial real estate player. They have issued rates against commercial rentals, and they have received green loans from climate change bonds, which is a non-profit initiative to encourage lower carbon emissions. And so this actually brings about 50% of the debt at the SPV level, which is a special purpose vehicle, which is running the rates to green, which is very positive for the company because green is getting more and more traction in bond markets nowadays. And do not forget to attend our webinar how to value floating rate bonds. Now, with interest rates looking to go up, floating rate bonds are being seen in prominence, and more companies are issuing floating rate bonds. Floating rate mutual funds too are seeing a lot of inflows, and they are also buying floating rate bonds. But the question is, how do you value these bonds? Because once you buy the bonds, what is the price? Where is the liquidity? And even the 10-year government bonds, which are government of India, which is issuing floating rate bonds, despite the fact that the interest rates are going up, the prices of these floating rate bonds have actually fallen or just stayed same. And this is not really encouraging floating rate bond funds to show performance as well. So why is this happening? All this you'll understand in our webinar on masterclass on how to value floating rate bonds. This is on the 26th of March, Saturday at 11 a.m. And you can register. At inrbonds.com. The registration link is given in the description here. And the fees for registration for non-members of INR bonds is just rupees 500 plus GST. And the first few registrations get free subscription to our Quick Invest platform, which is worth rupees 200 free. Now, Quick Invest itself is a curated list of bonds, which gives you all the information that you need, and also an easy in-app investment process. And you can see the bonds on Quick Invest by downloading our app Quick Invest by INR Bonds on iOS and Android. And to see the information and the proprietary score and rating scale and other tools to take a decision on which bonds to invest in, to invest in these bonds seamlessly, the subscription is just rupees 200, and this is just rupees 200 you get free, and you can buy the bonds and see all the information, which is to take a decision on investment in bonds through Quick Invest just by signing up for the webinar. And so hurry up and sign for the webinar. And also, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so, and do hit the like button if you appreciate our bond bytes. Thank you.